Jim's Tool 1278 in a cool cam bearing remote installer. We just pulled them out. This is installing. It says dropping them on the floor. Up.
Yes.
Same. Yeah. Amazing kit from the legendary Toolmaker Jims. How George is still alive, robbing all these ideas, I don't know. But very clever and works. This particular tool for putting the inner cam bearings in, which are these beauties here. Upgraded S&S versions, standard ones. I haven't got as many rollers in. See, the gaps between the cages are more, which means you haven't got as many rollers. So the S&S bearings definitely will be a lot better, a lot more support. And basically you're just going to put the bearings on the arbor, whatever you want to call it, and push them in, having lubed them up. To do this with a press would be pretty awkward, because if they stop, push the edge of this cage onto here and lock up, which obviously the cams, these have to be very loose. You can see here this edge is flat, this edge tapered to allow the thing to go in like a leading edge. But crazy money, 191 quid one of these tools. We also do an Ultima version or a cheaper version. I was just checking this thing's in properly. You can see up there just about. Is that right, Em? Stereo. 2 at once. But you can't do 3.
No.
So yeah, fantastic job done by the Name Star and Jims. Yeah, we had a problem before where they didn't seem to turn, and obviously being super duper S&S bearings, they should. Assembly lube will be used on these obviously when we put them in, but for now we're just lubing them up, getting them ready. As you can see, beautiful engine, twin cam engine. We will have another one that's going to be fully refurbished like this one for sale soon as well. It'll have a new oil pump, new bearings, new everything that needs replacing in it, you know. Give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.